Hello students, once again welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are fine. We are back again with the new video of Practical 19 for Class 12 Computer Science with Python Practical File. And the today's practical is based on MySQL, that is, write the queries based on table mobile master and mobile stock. These two tables we have already created in MySQL database software, and now we are going to have some statements based on these tables for which we have to write down the queries. So let us understand how to perform this practical. For this, we'll move on to first of all our database software and then our practical file. In the MySQL, we have already created these two tables, that is mobile master and mobile stock. And both the tables have four attributes, that is MID, MCompany, MName, price, and mobile stock has SID, MID, MQuantity and MSupplier. Now in this case, in these two tables, we have one common field, that is MID, that is mobile ID. So whenever we need to fetch the data from both the tables, we need to have MID as a common column for which values will be matched. Now we have taken the screenshot of these two tables in our practical file also. Based on these, we are having the 5 statements for which we have to write down the queries. First of all, we have display the mobile company, mobile name and price. So mobile company is in the table mobile master, then mobile name is also in the mobile master and price. All these three fields we need to take and they are in the same table, and we need to take them in the descending order of price. So we will fetch the data from one table and sort it according to the descending order, so that will be order by clause. So for this purpose, we have to write down the queries. Our query will be select MCompany, comma, MName, comma, price from the name of the table is mobile master and sorted according to the price, so order by price. In the descending order it is, so we'll say order by price DESC. So this is how our output will come. Okay, we have written the spelling wrong of MCompany, so we need to make this correct. MCompany, ANY. So this is how our output will come. We are going to take the screenshot of this much part and then we are going to paste it below first statement. Okay, so this is our output. Now we move on to the second part, that is list the details of mobile whose mobile company starts with S. We have to list the details of those mobiles whose mobile company starts with S. If we see the table mobile master, here we have the mobile company, and the mobile company which are starting with S are Samsung and Sony. So we need all the details. So in order to display all the details, we have select statement. So what we are going to say, we will say select star from mobile master where the column is MCompany, where MCompany like S%, यानी कि those companies which are starting with S%. Okay, so we can see here we are having the details of all the mobiles, MID is there, company name and price. There are two companies which are starting with the letter S, that is Samsung and Sony. So we'll take the screenshot with the shortcut key Windows Shift and S, and this screenshot along with the query we have taken in which the output is also there. Now we'll bring our cursor to the next line and paste it here, right? Now we'll move on to question number 3. Now question number 3 says display mobile supplier and quantity of all mobiles except 1001. We need mobile supplier, that is in the table mobile stock. Then we need quantity, it is also in the table mobile stock, and of all mobiles except 1001. So MID should not be 1001, uske alawa hame sari chahiye. We need the columns from the same table only. So what should be our statement? Select. We need mobile supplier, that is in the column MSupplier. Then we need quantity, that is MQuantity, from mobile stock, from mobile stock. Okay, except 1001 MID. So the condition will be where MID not equal to, we can give this like this also, not equal to 1001. So MID should not be 1001, that records we do not need, except 1001 any MID can be there. So we need two columns, M supplier and M quantity. ठीक है ना, तो enter, we'll press the enter key. So we can see here कि यहाँ पे 1001 को छोड़ के 1002 वाले हमारे कौन से हैं, क्लासिक मोबाइल, द मोबाइल एंड मोबाइल सेंटर, तो वही हमारे पास आ रहे हैं एज द आउटपुट. नाउ वील टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस वन. Now we'll take the screenshot of the query along with the output and paste it below the one. Okay, so this is how our output has come. Next one is display mobile company and its corresponding supplier. We need mobile company and its supplier. So mobile company is in the table mobile master and the supplier is in the table mobile stock. We need to fetch the data from both the tables. So we need to match the value of the common column, that is MID. So first we need mobile company, that is M company. Next we need M supplier. So how should be our query? Select M company, comma, M supplier from first table is mobile master and second table is mobile stock, where ओके इसको हम एज ले लेते हैं बिकॉज दोबारा लिखना बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. एज MM कॉमा मोबाइल स्टॉक एज MS. ओके, इसके बाद लिखते हैं वेयर MM डॉट MID इक्वल्स टू MS डॉट MID. दोनों की IDs मैच करानी है. ये आ गया हमारे पास. तो देखो यहाँ पे जो आईडी मैच कर रही है वो कौन कौन सी है, 0 1 2 3 4 5 और यहाँ पे हमारे पास है 0 1 और 2. 1 2 3 4 5 और 1 और 2. तो 1 और 2 पे है सैमसंग और नोकिया और यहाँ पे हमारे पास है एम सप्लायर. इनके सैमसंग और नोकिया तो कंपनी हो गई और इनके जो सप्लायर्स हैं वो अलग अलग हैं, तो ये बार बार नेम हमारे पास आ चुके हैं. ठीक है, सो इस तरह से इसका आउटपुट आया. अब इसका हम स्क्रीनशॉट लेंगे क्वेरी के साथ और इसका आउटपुट ले लेंगे. इस तरह से हमने लिया और हमने यहाँ पे इसको पेस्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, आ गया इसका आउटपुट. लास्ट स्टेटमेंट पे चलते हैं, फिफ्थ स्टेटमेंट पे इस क्वेश्चन के. डिस्प्ले MID मोबाइल कंपनी एंड मोबाइल नेम अकॉर्डिंग टू MID. तो हमें क्या चाहिए, MID चाहिए. MID कंपनी और नेम. तो ID किस में है, मोबाइल मास्टर में भी है और दूसरे टेबल में भी है. कंपनी मोबाइल मास्टर में है और नेम जो है वो इसमें है. ठीक है, तो हम इसी में से डेटा को फैच कर सकते हैं. MID M कंपनी M नेम अकॉर्डिंग टू MID. अब MID हमारे पास कौन कौन सी है, हमारे पास MID जो है वो 1001 है और 2 है. तो हम ग्रुपिंग कर सकते हैं इसमें. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कहेंगे, सेलेक्ट मोबाइल मास्टर डॉट MID, क्योंकि MID ऐसा कॉलम है जो दोनों में है, तो कौन सी MID लेनी है उसके लिए टेबल का नेम हमें स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. M कंपनी कॉमा M नेम फ्रॉम मोबाइल मास्टर ग्रुप बाय मोबाइल मास्टर. ग्रुप बाय के बाद स्पेसिफाई द नेम ऑफ द कॉलम. सो यहाँ पे हमारी जो IDs थी वो अलग अलग थी, इसलिए इस तरह से हमारा डेटा आ गया. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. In case still any doubt is there, please tell me in the comment section. And if this video has been helpful to you, you can like it, share it, and subscribe the channel for more such updates. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.